Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I hope you enjoyed this video as the last video that I uploaded. So guys, if you are new, please subscribe it and see a complete tutorial about this broker that I have below this video. Today I will trade with this OTC market in iqoption. So I hope you like this kind of trading style. I'm just going to use this support, as you can see here, and resistance level. That's all I'm going to use. This is my live account. I have $1,534, but anyway, I recommend you to test it in a practice account before you go on real. Okay, so I already placed all my resistance and support level on every chart that I'm going to trade with. These are the pairs that I'm going to trade. So guys, I'm going to trade with the breakout and reversal, trend reversal point. Let's say, for example, the market is in range here. Whenever the market break one of these level, if the market breaks up the resistance level or break down the support level, I'm going to consider an entry. But it all depends on how the market breaks those levels. So in order for me to be notified, I set an alert so that when the market hit this price, it notifies me. And also here, down here. So I did the same with almost every pair. With this one, the same. Okay, here I'm going to set some alert. For example, the price here is making a pullback. Just in this level, it's making a pullback. If the price makes a bearish pattern here that close below this candlestick or this candlestick, but very bearish, I can consider to make an entry. A put option or a lower entry. I'm just going to wait the reaction here. Because as we can see here, the price reaction is that it has rejection at this level, but we need to wait until this candlestick close, because if it close above like it's doing right now, so we need to wait for the next level, resistance level. It's breaking that level, but that level is not that important for me to consider as a breakout. So let's check here. Here we had a good entry with this candlestick pattern. This is a resistance level, a very important resistance level. The price has tried several times to break up, but it has failed, and again it fell again, making a very good candlestick, so that we could entry to the downside, and we could enter to the downside with this candlestick pattern. this is a breakdown. Let me explain to you why. This candlestick is a breakdown. Of course, I'm not going to trade this breakdown because it's not that relevant for me. But it is a breakdown because of this level. The price took a long time here. It's a congestion. It create a range over here, and now it's breaking down that range. As simple as that. But it's not that important. It's for you to understand how the breakdown and breakup work. Let's see what happened here. We had an entry, and I made that entry early. I made that entry before I started recording this video. I made this entry because of this breakdown. Okay, so let's wait what's gonna happen when the price hit again this resistance level. But anyway, let's place another support level just here on this new low, and let's set an alert. Right, let's see what's gonna happen here. On the meantime, here we have a great opportunity to go down. Okay guys, I made this entry because of this candlestick. That's what I was waiting for. I don't know if you remember at the beginning when I explained about this movement. I think, in my opinion, I can be wrong, of course. In my opinion, this is a pullback for this movement. So what I think the price may do is to continue its move to the downside. So let's wait. It's very slow. I don't like that because I want to see a very fast movement to the downside like this candlestick. But it's okay, we are winning this trade. But I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to make another entry to the downside until I see a very fast movement like this candlestick. Alright guys, we won this trade. So meanwhile, let's see another. Okay, we had another breakup here, but we are late for this one. Okay, we have 9 seconds left. If within that time we add an entry over here, we can make it, but it's almost impossible. No, let me set an alert just on this level to see if the price reach and break up. If the price break up above this level, we can make another trade. See, so you can see that immediately the price is being rejected from this level. So we need to wait until the market cross this resistance level. This is a resistance level because of this high, the previous high. Guys, what is your opinion about the stock market? What if we trade in the stock market and I upload some video about my portfolio and all of that? Because I also do that in other broker, of course, but I trade on the stock market, buying stock and ETF, bonus, etc., and future too. Future contract. So guys, as you can see, it reached my alert, but it didn't close above it. I will set that alert again. Alright guys, we may have a reversal point here. If this candlestick close like this, I mean below this level, we can make an entry to the downside. And yes, that's what I'm going to do. But I will wait a very good entry point. No. Yeah, this is a good entry point. For me, a good entry point is if I'm going to trade to the lower or to the downside. I like to take the best price, and the best price for me is the higher price. Okay, meanwhile, let me see what is happening on this pair. Again, it triggered my alert, but it didn't close above. Alright, it did it again, but it didn't close above. So what's happening? Alright, I got it. I just need to wait. Let me set it up again. Guys, we won this trade. This was a very good bearish pattern. Guys, remember to subscribe it if you like this video or this content. If you don't understand something, just let me know below on the comment section, and I will do all my best to answer your question properly. Oh wow. We had a great opportunity here to go to the downside, but we didn't see it. Anyway, I think we are still on time. If the price come back to this level, I'll make an entry. All right, let's see what's the price doing on this pair. Let's see if now close above this level, resistance level. All right. Okay, a little bit late. I wanted to take this entry just right here, but it's okay. I hope to win it anyway. And in this case, the price is closing above my resistance level. So let's be patient and wait for 6 seconds to see what happened. No, it didn't close like I wanted, so I will wait. Guys, we won this trade too. Remember, I made this trade because of this breakdown. I think this is a very good breakdown, not with the best candlestick pattern, but it was broken. This support level was broken. So what we can do here, we can make oh no, okay, perfect, because it didn't execute it because I didn't have time enough for that. But I wanted to make the other entry just right here when the price touch the level again, because this is a natural movement. This is a natural movement that the price is doing after every breakout or breakdown. In this case, the price tends to pull back. So that's why this entry worked. Okay, let's wait for another opportunity. Oh, as you can see here, if we hadn't entered this trade, we had lost our money. And as I told you, this was the first pair that we entered a trade. You know, it didn't continue because what I wanted to see was a movement like this candlestick or like this one, fast movement, but it didn't do it. Okay, guys, let's see if we have other opportunities. Okay, let's wait. Guys, I think that will be all for today. As I told you, if you have any question in regard to this content, I know my English is not the best one, but I try to improve it, and I'm practicing to do it better and better. So please subscribe it and hit the like button. And remember to join us on our Facebook group. Below this video is the link.